here just added a peso to each corner. 2 pesos.
Actually, 7 pesos in total.
Thank you, Garrett.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. And there is the lovely
Alright, let's go.
Atlantic.
That's a good thing.
What are the good things?
Is that they pay well. The contracts are, at least my contract is pretty long, so I have a stable income. The ship is huge and there's a lot of things to do. The shows are fun. Love performing Hairspray and Flight. And I'm in the Caribbean, and I've never been in the Caribbean before.
That's the best part.
Yes. Okay, you go.
More people need to hide ducks. I haven't found any. They need to lower the ship's capacity to 20% at all times. 20% should be 100%. The pools need to stay open all night long.
Ah, that's a good one.
They need to take the salt out of the ocean.
Why?
Just do chlorine.
That would kill a lot of things.
Yeah, maybe.
The ecosystem would be dead.
That's a negative way of looking at it.
I feel like that's probably the only way of looking at a chlorine ocean.
People need to not walk on the running side of the track, like me.
I will bring all of these up to HR for you.
Yeah.
Temperature today should be approximately 82 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to make some lemonade with that sunshine today. Got a lot of activities coming your way. This morning at 10:30, we've got a huge Invicta watch sale in the Royal
Logan
Plaza
bought a watch.
on deck number 5. We also
Logan
have our
already bought a watch.
Rolex are the first 25 people to contact the spa at 4600 or to walk in will receive a 75-minute full body massage,
Oh, I want
cleansing
that.
facial, scalp massage, foot and ankle massage, free eye collagen treatment valued at $229, but today and today only for the first 25 people, $149.
You had what?
American food, Indian food, a salad, now this.
What'd you have, Logan?
Came to a buffet, got a burger and fries.
Nice. And then Mom had that.
Oh,
And didn't finish that.
what is the inside of it? I thought it was supposed to be cream.
It probably is.
Well, it's brown.
Well, then it's brown
Brown
cream.
cream.
Enjoy it. Eat it.
Good. Oh, I did not know that.
We're back at the Windjammer with Garrett's meal. Oh, you got burgers.
I did. I decided not to
Fries.
eat very healthy today.
I was pretty healthy.
What'd you eat?
I got a salad. I got a little potato thing, salami, and cheese.
Nice.
Ah. We are going to see if we can get reservations for an escape room, and we do not know where we need to go to do that.
It's literally that I can reserve it on the app.
Yeah.
We're at deck 14.
Alright, do we go up to deck 14? Escape room. Oh, okay. So it's where the Puzzle Break Center is.
Okay.
That's what I would think. Maybe.
Yeah, it's probably.
We've not been to this part of the ship yet. Is this like the kids area?
That's the nursery. Not this one. It's not really, yeah.
Escape room. If you have a reservation, please wait here until
activity.
So yeah, I think we would make
Reserved through the Royal app, guest services or box office. We can go down as guest services.
Okay, that'd probably be better because we're.
So here's what happened. These little girls cut in line at Sorrento's, and their parents came up and didn't tell them to move back. And they kept going in and out of line, and then right at the last second, they jumped back in line. They got 3 slices of cheese, and then their mom took the 3 plates of cheese and put them on the counter and ran off like she was trying to dodge it. And then Logan took the 3 plates and put them on a table.
I think a guy walked up and like cleaned the plates or something.
And then somebody came and cleaned the plates. It was a good payback for cutting in line. Don't ever cut in line, or you will have your pizza confiscated.
We're hoping to go up soon. Rising Tide Bar.
Somebody over here. No, you got it? What is it? Oh, I love this song. Come on, y'all! Dance the whole thing. Alright. What's the title of the song and who recorded it? You're welcome. Wow, Eddie Murphy. It's the theme song from Shrek. What is it?
Jack Black.
But who recorded it? Who recorded it?
What? Jack? I mean, he was in the song.
No, but he's
I'm trying to remember his name. I have it.
He doesn't even look good. Wow, living up in the city.
Back at the room, Connor's door handle broke off his door, and he got trapped. Well, I don't think he got trapped. He was able to get out, but now the handle's broken. Yeah, that happened. And I am just sitting on the balcony watching the ocean.
It's a game night. When do you get dressed for that? Like, is that like for dinner type of thing?
6:30 I have to be dressed.
Wow, it's really windy.
They have these sheets that are made of bamboo that supposedly stay cool. Receive a free gift with any blue diamond purchase.
Oh, you want to come through?
I'll come through. Thank you.
Oh, like a neon color. Like an 80s, huh?
light chutney.
And that is a nice representation of global warming.
Good job, Garrett.
Bird's nest, it also smells like campfire.
Yes.
All right, let's cheers, you guys. Reach. Cheers, Connor. Cheers, Logan.
Cheers, Logan. That's good.
So, well, lovely family, let's start our first adventure. A beautiful Mad Hatter's crispy shrimps. It's shrimps with a little mild spicy foam from the element of the fire.
Thank you.
A rich lobster bisque. A rich lobster bisque with a little lobster rolled up, spiced up with beef bone marrow. Leaving behind a beautifully crafted bird's nest. A crispy wontons made in the shape of a cone. At the bottom, little wasabi filled up with crab meat, top up with avocado mousse. So the chef says starter bite at the bottom first to enjoy the spice, and the second bite mozzarella cheese, pesto basil, tomato. The remoulade process. Remoulade is basically first press is discarded, being very cloudy and thick. The second press, which is very tender, moist. We chop it, dice it, marinate with yuzu lemon for a nice citrus flavor. All the main courses are served with a sauce on the side. On jasmine basmati rice.
Nice.
And last but not least, a placemat for Garrett. Here you go. And sad music's playing too to go with it.
Which is steamed cooked in a clear bag. Fish and the wild mushrooms. So beautiful halibut steamed cooked. I have the sauce on.
Bye, Garrett. Special and exit.
Apple. They say apple a day keeps a doctor away.
Oh, yes.
And big mushroom made out of, thank you my boss. Big mushroom made out of pistachio.
Yes.
Connor, look.
Hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh my God.
No. Wait, put it back on.
Don't worry, there's always next time. Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you, Derek. Happy birthday to you, Derek. Happy birthday.